The Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports is a popular adventure motorcycle known for its off-road and touring capabilities. Here are 4 things I don't love so much in the Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports. Wait, the Africa Twin Adventure Sports is a relatively heavy motorcycle compared to some of its competitors. The weight can make it slightly more challenging to handle in certain off-road situations, especially for riders with less experience. Tall seat height. The Adventure Sports variant of the Africa Twin has a tall seat height, which may pose challenges for shorter riders who may struggle to reach the ground comfortably when stopped. However, Honda does offer a lower seat option as an accessory. Price. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports is positioned as a premium adventure motorcycle, and its price reflects that. It may be on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to other adventure bikes in its class, which could be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. Wind protection. While the Africa Twin Adventure Sports offers an improved windscreen compared to the standard Africa Twin, some riders may still find that wind buffeting is a concern, particularly at higher speeds. Aftermarket wind deflectors or modifications may be needed for enhanced wind protection. It's important to note that opinions on the positive and negative aspects of a motorcycle can vary among riders, and personal preferences and riding style play a significant role in determining whether a particular motorcycle is suitable for an individual rider. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching.